Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial we would learn how can we delete the sheet column or how can we delete an entire sheet column. So I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every steps as I say. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, suppose we have this project here and we want to delete this project code column completely from this sheet. So what we would do is we would just select the column by clicking any cell in this column, or you can just click on this name of this column B. I'm selecting column B, and after selecting click on home, and in this style group just click on delete and this arrow followed by delete sheet column. As you can see guys, that project code is deleted but the name will be remain same A B C D E. Only this cell or the column will be deleted. Similarly, you can select the multiple of column, like I'm selecting from B to E, and just do the same thing. Go to home, click on delete this arrow followed by delete sheet column, and as you can see guys, that is deleted. So that's all for today guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.